Now look at this. Let's take for instance, let's take this. Let's remove this. Let's take this for instance. If I have this my upward force, my downward force, my force going to the right, and my force going to the left. Now if you want to follow in terms of angle using the quadrant, this will be going anti-clockwise, right? So this is 0, this is 90, this is 180, and this is 270. Is that okay? So if I'm dealing with horizontal components, we'll call it cos, and we are dealing with vertical component, we call it sine. Are we good? Now let's take for instance now this same example here. The same example. Now we have a ball. This same example here. We have a ball. A ball of this that has let's put it this way. It is pulled with what? 5 Newton. That is F1. And simultaneously someone else is also pulling it with what? 3 Newton. Are we good? Now my net force will be equal to what? F1 plus what? F2. Now what is F1? I can easily say my F1, since it's going to the right, I will put it 5 cos 0. Because of what? It is going towards the right. Any force going towards the right is the angle should be what? 0 degree. Plus, now the other F2 is going towards the left, I'll call it what? 3 cos 180. 3 cos 180. Is that okay? Now if you look at it very well, 5 cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Look at, I have 5 cos 0. And that will give me what? 5. Because cos 0 is 1, so I have 5 times what? 1. Plus 3 cos 180 is minus 1. So this will later give me 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times minus 1 give you minus 3. And we have an answer to be what? 2 Newton. Can you see that it is the same? So you should know one thing, that forces along the horizontal axis, you use your cos. So when it's going towards the right is whatever force is given, cos 0. When it's going towards the left, whatever force is given, cos 180. Right? Similarly, you can try this for yourself. You can say in this case here, when I have this case here, if I want to do that, I will say my net force here will be my net force here will be my net force F net will be giving me F1 plus what? F2. So what is my F1? My F1 is what? 2, right? So when I say any force facing up is what? The vertical component is given as sine. Are we good? So I'm going to say F1 is what? 2 sine 90 plus F2 is what? 5 sine 270, because the force facing downward is angle 270 degree. So sine 90 is 1, so 2 into bracket what? 1 plus sine 270 is minus 1, so 5 bracket what? Minus 1. So this will give me 2 minus 5, and that will give me what? Minus 3 Newton. So this is another concept. So you should have it in your mind that I can also call this 0 degree. If I'm going towards the right, it's cos 0. If I'm going up, it's sine 90. If I'm going left, it's cos 180. If I'm going down, is what? Sine 270. Thank you very much.